This is the EC Technology power bank. It has a capacity of 22,400 milliamp hours and a watt-hour capacity of 82.8 watt-hours. There are 3 female USB outputs to this device. They've labelled them iPhone, Samsung Tab and iPad, but the iPhone is 1 amp maximum output, Samsung Tab is 2 amps maximum output, and the iPad is 2.4 amps maximum. On the left hand side there is a micro USB input, and on the right hand side there's a simple on-off button. The on-off button also controls a flashlight on the front face of the device, and if you were to double click the power button, it turns on the flashlight, double click it again, it goes to a higher intensity, and third double click flashes it onto a SOS mode. Also on the front there's the branding and power indicator LEDs, just 4 simple blue LEDs that will tell you, so if 3 of them are lit up you've got 75% to 50% battery left. Now this thing is fairly heavy, it weighs about half a kilogram. It contains 6 18650 lithium ion batteries, 6 times the amount of a standard Poundland power bank. It also has protection circuit and the charging circuit, all the required protection features for a battery like this. It's made out of plastic, but it's still got a very solid build quality. I've dropped it quite a few times, and there's scuffs and marks, but I take this with me almost everywhere and it's served me very well. Now with a capacity of 22,000 milliamp hours, you're not really going to need to charge this very often. That does depend on whether you're using it to charge bigger devices like tablets, or if you're on a long plane journey and you want to watch films on your tablet, plug this in and you'll be set. However, for daily use it's a bit overkill. If you're going out on a trip, on a journey, then you're not really going to need this. Something like a standard Poundland power bank will do you just fine. It comes with its own carrying case, with a hard shell carrying case with a zip, robust zip, and inside the carrying case is a little elastic strap which keeps the power bank in and prevents it falling out very easily. Also there is a little pocket for wires and cables. It comes with a 6" USB to micro USB charging cable. Now this does not support Qualcomm's Quick Charge or Dash charging by OnePlus or any of the other fast charging software. But it's not entirely needed. You can just plug it into your phone. You can use the 2.4 amp port to charge your phone just that little bit faster if needed. Now this thing is quite cheap for the capacity, so if you were to look at other power banks, for example the Poundland power bank I reviewed in an earlier video has a capacity of 2,000 milliamp hours and costs about £1. So that's pretty good. That's one, for every pound you get 2,000 milliamp hours of capacity. This one is not quite as good as that, but it's much better than you can find with other ones. So this one's got, for £20 I bought it, and 22,000 milliamp hours, so that's about £1, 1,000 milliamp hours, which is half of the Poundland's capacity, but much better than you'll find elsewhere. You can find product listings ripping you off with power banks, for example selling you a 1,000 or 2,000 milliamp hour battery for £10 to £15, which is incredibly expensive. This thing was quite difficult to find, but it is amazing. It's a great product. It has a very simplistic colour scheme, just black outsides and red rim.